So I was talking to this girl in class and she wanted to be in a video. So, boom, I'm going to talk about what she said. So, she knew that I had a YouTube channel and I grew it to whatever it is right now that you can look at. And she was like, dang, I want to do that too, but it feels like I don't have the commitment for that. And fair enough. But she also said how if she started 4 years ago, it could have been a lot easier. And that's exactly what I did. So I want to make this video kind of for people like that who have that ambition, that thing that they want to do, but it feels hard, it feels intimidating to actually achieve that big goal. And I'll say exactly how I've been able to do that. So we were talking more about YouTube and like how interesting it was for me to have this and how I've been able to do this on top of school studies, all of that stuff. It was actually really simple to get where I was today. I know it's easier said than done, and I just want to say you don't have to be perfect at this at all. It is extremely simple because the way I started was literally like, okay, I'm gonna just post one video, just one video, not 130, not 500, not for 20 minutes. I'm just gonna be talking, but for 30 seconds. That video is still on my channel if you want to look at it, by the way, my first ever video. And that video, I think, is the most important video on my whole entire channel because of that one video. I just thought, if I do this for once a week, just once a week, I'm not Jeff Bezos or something. Like, I'm not constantly busy and occupied with stuff. I can, come on, I can post one video every single week now. That is so simple. I can find the time. If I can make a video in 30 seconds, I can find the time to do that in a week. So that's what I did. I just posted one video every single week. And then I thought, if I do this for a year, surely, surely I would get some amount of growth. Whether that's a new subscriber. I remember getting my first subscriber. That was crazy. That it was like, wow, this is actually possible. But just starting off when it feels extremely intimidating, just doing that for a year, that one simple task, once a week, that would get me in the direction forward. Once a week. It's all I had to do. I made it as simple as possible for me to start. I didn't have to record podcasts or interview billionaires. I just had to say whatever was on my mind for 30 seconds while holding a little phone. I made it as simple as possible. I did the bare minimum consistently. I might have skipped a week, but in the beginning, but then after I did that a few times, I started to enjoy the process. It was actually something that I found interesting and I enjoyed. So I just kept doing it, kept doing it. I actually uploaded more than just a week, multiple days. And basically, I'm here now. So what I want to say is the time is going to pass anyway. I remember I also told my brother that he can start his own channel where he plays the piano. And, he's just playing little piano. He didn't really want to, which, fair enough. You don't have to make videos. But imagine he started the same time I did. He would have already been uploading for 3 years almost. And those 3 years, who knows how big his channel could have got? Who knows what else he could have done with those opportunities? The time is going to pass anyway. So get consistent at something. And don't make it intimidating. Don't stare at the summit. Look at your boots and take each step, one step at a time. Don't overthink it. And I know it's easier said than done. I know it sucks, and sometimes you just don't want to do it at all. And I'm not saying you have to be perfect again. You just have to try. Because if you can ingrain that task, that thing, whether it's working out, making a video, making a drawing, and you do that consistently for a year, you're going to get so much progress towards that goal that you have. It's going to just be ingrained in you as a habit of, yeah, 10 a.m. I just draw, like that's what I do. So if you don't do anything after hearing this, I don't know what to tell you. You cannot be saved. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But seriously, I feel like it's easier than ever just to start. Start now. You're not late. It's not too late. It's not too hard or too competitive, whatever. Just do it now. And do it consistently. Just show up. Before I repeat myself for the 11th time about starting, making it easy, whatever, if you do want to make this actually easier and surround yourself with like-minded people who also want to grow and hold each other, lift each other up to achieve those goals, challenge themselves to grow even more and make it fun, check out that community in the description. I highly recommend joining. Thousands of people are in there and we're all having fun, growing, improving. Let me know what you thought of this video so I can do more of what you like, and have a great day. Subscribe.